Okay, so eto, pagtapos na tayong gumawa ng 3D window, lalagyan natin to ng door jamb. Okay, so eto. Alam niyo yung door jamb? Okay, eto. Okay, ito yung door jamb. So we have here a given dimension 100 by 50, then you have to make 40 doon sa thickness ng door, then 10 mm magmula doon sa paloob. Okay? So para mas madali, gawin mo na lang dito. Okay? So polyline ka, PL, then magmula dito, pan natin ng word. So polyline, PL, click mo dito hanggang dito, that is 40 na lang. Papunta ka doon, going to right, that is 10. Then, pabalik dito, that is, so that, if that is 40, so 60 na yan. Okay, then we have 50. Then we have 100. Okay, then close. Okay, that is now your door jamb. So, ang gawin mo lang is, palitan natin muna to. Gawin muna natin siyang okay. I-off muna natin yung door. 3D door. Saan na yung 3D door natin? Okay. Gawa na lang tayo ng layer ng 3D door. Okay. So 3D door. No need to if you are making a three-dimensional object, no need to change the line weight. Okay? Basta continuous na lang. But you have to change the layer color. Okay? Yan. So, eto, palitan natin to ng 3D door. Then, off muna natin yung 3D door para mas madaling mag-sweep. Okay? So, our command, kailangan natin palitan ulit yung coordinate natin ng front. Okay? Since sa front tayo gagawa ng polyline. So, the same polyline ulit tayo. Magmula dito, going up. Ilan yung height ng door natin? Ilan? 2,000? Okay, 2,100. Okay. Then, ilan yung width or yung length? Okay, 1,000. Then going down, ilan ulit yung height? 2,100. Then, escape ka na lang. Then, next na gagawin mo is sweep command. Then, select object to sweep. Enter. Then, select mo yung line. Kung saan, yun yung path niya. So, click mo yan, automatic, nandun na yan. Okay. So, yan na yung door jamb natin. So, check natin kung tama. Okay. On natin yung navigation bar natin. So, orbit tayo. Check natin. Okay. Okay, tama. Then, try natin i-on yung ating 3D door. Okay. Tingnan natin kung tama. Okay. Tumama.